Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Well, I took a little bit of time off for the holidays and it ended up going in like a whole week into the new year. So Happy New Year everybody, it's 2023, this is the first video I'm making and I got a very special surprise on New Year's morning. 80,000 subscribers. The channel hit 80,000 subscribers and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported this channel in the past and people who are going to support it in the future. It really means a lot to me that so many people care so much about my designs and replicas and stuff and just what I'm doing here. I really appreciate the support and I can't wait to share my new projects with you all throughout 2023. And as promised, it's time to announce the 80K giveaway winner. This winner will be receiving all 7 of the Harry Potter books, the original American hardbacks, plus all of the covers that I designed for them for the Wizarding Trunk. So that's all the books you're seeing right here with the covers are all going to be mailed to the winner. And then I also have winners to finally announce for the Hogwarts ID card that was in collaboration with Hogwarts Mystery. So all the winners are going to need to do, you'll get an email from me from Danny@wizardryworkshop.com and I'm going to ask you for the info here. You can either give it to me or I can send you a blank one. It doesn't matter. If you send me the info though, I can fill it in for you and send it to you all finished. So there are 6 winners. They are all from Twitter and Instagram. The first winner is Rachel Jong. Winner number 2 from Twitter is @New Hampshire Girl. Winner number 3 is @GimmeDatShasta, or the dude on Twitter. Winner number 4 is the copyright symbol, or @CarlGemSSS. And then we have winner number 5, Candy, or @Miss Milado. And winner number 6 is Brittany Pacheco, @BritPacheco on Twitter. And Brittany is also on YouTube. She's Brit's Magic Trunk, so you should check her out. She does a lot of Wizarding Trunk unboxings. She's also a graphic designer. So yeah, check her out. And the 80K giveaway winner of the books and all of the Wizarding Trunk book covers is Juanjo Triolo. Congratulations to everyone. I hope that you enjoy your prizes. I've sent you each an email with instructions on how you can claim your prizes, so just get back to me with your info and I will get this stuff in the mail for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.